Jai Hind everyone. In today's video, we are going to quickly cover World Trade Organization. It was firstly founded on 1st January 1995 after the Uruguay round. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. It has total 164 members encompassing 98% of the global trade. It is successor to the General Agreement on Trade and Tariffs 1947. It governs via 15 agreements in total, which is GATT, as we discussed, General Agreement on Trade in Tariffs, and then General Agreement on Trade in Services, and then trade related aspects of intellectual property rights, TRIPS, alongside there are certain pluralistic agreements and certain principles which WTO remains at par with, like the most favored nation, non-discrimination principle. Then the tariffs are binding at 9%. Now let us discuss about certain functions of WTO. Number one, it talks about dispute settlement understanding with over 600 plus cases of dispute solved. And then Doha Development Agenda, which we can talk about, was stalled since 2001. Then trade policy reviews are there. Preferential trade agreement is there for special low tariff between select countries. And then there is FTA, also free trade agreement with zero tariff on mostly all the goods, but it is not there with major partner countries, and it has to be negotiated via partnerships. Further, there is regional trade agreement also, like RCEP, which we talk about, is a regional trade agreement. India always champions the peace clause, wherein Article 21 agreement on agriculture food security is also included in India's stance. Then we have the Bali MSP protection versus EU subsidies, wherein US blocks the appellate body since 2019 and tries to enforce protectionism. So these are certain things you must keep in mind with regard to World Trade Organization. Thank you very much, and to stay updated, you can be a part of the family and the channel. Thank you.